Age-related eye diseases such as glaucoma, macular degeneration, and cataracts are more likely to affect us. Along with eye strain from gazing at phones and computers, many people also develop dry, itchy, and irritated eyes, as well as retinopathy, which is nerve damage. The neurons and tiny blood vessels in your eyes deteriorate if you don't get enough vitamins and minerals, causing eye conditions and poor vision. There are some vitamins that you may take to help your eyes stay healthy, to protect and repair them, and to keep them lubricated so that they stay clear and shining. And that is what today's movie will be discussing. I use the term vitamins broadly to cover antioxidants, minerals and enzymes that can be used to enhance eye health. Disclaimer: this video is not intended to replace seeking medical advice or treatment. It is meant for educational purposes. 1. Retinol, active vitamin A. Active vitamin A. The active form of vitamin A is retinol, which can be found in organ meats, butter, cheese, and egg yolks. This nutrient is crucial for eye health since it aids in the production of tears, which keep your eyes lubricated and protected. Also, it improves your night vision, preventing night blindness and light sensitivity. The best way to provide your eyes the active vitamin A they need is to consume 1 teaspoon of raw, virgin cod liver oil every day. Regular use of this can cause dryness, bloodshot eyes, and discomfort. 2. Zeaxanthin and lutein. One of the most crucial plant compounds that supports your retina is lutein, so that your brain can receive these impulses and produce a clear image, to collect light and color. Zeaxanthin aids in preventing age-related cataracts, macular degeneration, and central vision loss. Your body uses this to create a light screen that shields the tissue of your eyes from UV ray damage. Eating foods like kale, collard greens, romaine lettuce, Swiss chard, peppers, squash, broccoli, and egg yolks will provide you with significant levels of both of these carotenoids. I advise taking 1 to 2 teaspoons of Moringa powder daily if you want to supplement. This is prepared from Moringa oleifera leaves that have been dried, one of the best sources of carotenoids to guard against vision loss as you age. To receive fresh advice on diet and health. 3. Zinc. Did you know that the zinc levels in your eyes are quite high? This antioxidant mineral aids in the development of the retina's optical pigments, so that you can see colorful, crisp images. Retinol, a kind of vitamin A, is activated by zinc, which makes it easier to see clearly, especially at night. Whenever you become sick, or injured, or experience inflammation, your body depletes its zinc reserves in an effort to heal you. As we age, we frequently experience a variety of illnesses that deplete zinc, which subsequently worsens our vision. Macular degeneration risk is increased by a zinc deficiency, also causing cataracts, cloudy lenses of the eye. Oysters, crab meat, mussels, shrimp, and pumpkin seeds are good sources of zinc. Instead, you could take a daily dose containing 30 milligrams of zinc chelate. 4. Benfotiamine, vitamin B1. Vitamin B1. Your blood sugar increases when you eat sugar, processed flour, or grains, which depletes your vitamin B1 stores. Myelin, the covering that surrounds your nerves and protects them from injury, deteriorates if your body is deficient in vitamin B1. Since your eyes and the optic nerve contain up to 1.7 million nerve fibers, eating these processed foods and having high blood sugar levels can easily harm these fibers. Retinopathy is a disease that develops as people age and is particularly prevalent in people who have diabetes or prediabetes. You can take benfotiamine, a fat-soluble form of vitamin B1, to restore the neurons in your eyes and prevent additional damage. 300 milligrams twice daily. This nourishes the neurons so they may recover by penetrating through the fat layers of your brain and neurological system. I realize this video contains a lot of information, so feel free to pause, replay, and take notes as necessary. 5. Vitamin B2 and B3. The eye's damaged nerves and tissue are protected and restored in a very powerful way by vitamins B2 and B3. For instance, B3, niacin, and B2, riboflavin, have both been found to lower the chance of acquiring cataracts and macular degeneration. Boost your B vitamin intake by consuming 1 to 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast daily, or more. Eating salmon, leafy green vegetables, and eggs will also help you receive extra B vitamins. 6. Salts of bile, digestive enzymes. Bile, a crucial fluid produced by the liver and gallbladder, aids in the digestion of fatty foods and the absorption of minerals like vitamin A, lutein, and zeaxanthin, which are necessary for maintaining good vision. But you might not be releasing enough bile if you have a fatty liver, gallbladder issues, acid reflux, indigestion, IBS, or other digestive disorders. Your body will struggle to absorb crucial nutrients for your eyes as a result. You might take 2 digestive enzyme capsules, one before each meal, to stimulate the flow of bile. Make sure to select a brand that uses pure bile salts or ox bile. 7. Fish liver oil, omega-3s. It's crucial to eat a lot of foods high in EBA and DHA, omega-S, if you want to heal your nerves, eyes, and brain. These omega-3s also protect and heal the nerves and blood vessels in your eyes by preventing oxidative damage. According to studies, taking fish oil regularly for 3 months on a daily basis helps the glands produce more tear fluid and significantly lessens the symptoms of dry eyes. You can obtain it by consuming fatty fish such as wild salmon, sardines, anchovies, and mackerel, but Icelandic, virgin cod liver oil is by far the finest natural source, 1 teaspoon per day. Because they are anti-inflammatory, omega-3s will lessen inflammation. 8. Vitamin C. If you want a body that is young and healthy, you must regularly ingest the complex antioxidant vitamin C. Real vitamin C can be found in raw bell peppers, kale, leafy greens, berries, cabbage, and sauerkraut, among other fruits and vegetables. This aids in guarding against oxidative damage to the eyes brought on by elevated blood sugar levels and dangerous substances present in our environment. It significantly lowers the risk of age-related macular degeneration and visual acuity loss, according to research. If you smoke, you should be getting at least 4 times your daily needs of vitamin C to help shield your body from oxidative damage. Avoid ascorbic acid, over-the-counter supplements, since they are not actual vitamin C. Acerola cherry power is the greatest supplement to use if you want to. As you can see, there are a variety of potent vitamins and nutrients that you can employ to treat and safeguard your eyes from disease, dry eyes, degeneration, and loss of vision. You can start by eating more of the foods that we discussed in today's video, as many of these nutrients are already present in the meals that you already routinely eat. Another method to shield your eyes now that you are aware of the vitamins and minerals your eyes require. Let's explore some new lifestyle suggestions you may utilize to care for your eyes. 1. Download a blue light filter app to your tablet, computer, and phone. Blue light from screens that incorporate LEDs damages your retina. Blue light is a brief, high-energy wave that can harm your eyes' photochemical processes and irritate them. Avoiding this, f.lux, or blue light blocking spectacles, is made easier by using blue light filter software. 2. Go for a walk in the outdoors at least once a day, and whenever you can, look into the distance, such as the sky or other far-off objects. This lessens irritation and prevents the lenses from gradually altering shape by relaxing the tiny muscles in your eyes, astigmatism. 3. To stay hydrated, consume at least 1 liter of mineral water daily. This easy tip enables you to produce more healthy tears, which cover your eye surface and shield it from the outside elements. 4. If you get dry eyes, try MSM eye drops in liquid form. This is a natural eye drop treatment that helps your eyes seem brighter and enhances lymphatic drainage to remove irritants and debris. Moreover, it could lessen eye floaters. 5. Eliminate vegetable oils such as margarine, grapeseed, canola, sunflower, cottonseed, and soy. They have been linked to macular degeneration and are extremely inflammatory. Eat anti-inflammatory fats instead, such as butter made from grass-fed cows, cold-pressed avocado oil, and raw coconut oil. The vitamin A content in grass-fed butter is high. Following these 5 essential measures and increasing your intake of the nutrients discussed in this video will significantly improve the health and safety of your eyes.